Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. Listen, if you are new here, welcome. I am so glad you are here. Be sure to let me know in the comments below and I will reply with the best way for us to stay in touch. Listen, today we are going to take some everyday Dollar Tree items and turn them into amazing handmade, homemade Christmas gifts. And I'd love it if you let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. All right, handmade idea number one. We're gonna take this Dollar Tree pot holder. You really need one that is a fairly decent size. You don't want a tiny one. And I just trimmed off the little loop at the top, and then we're gonna take off this tag, but we're gonna use one of these straight edge kind of X-Acto knives from the Dollar Tree. They come a pack for $1, and you're just going to slightly take out the hem enough to get that tag off. That's also going to leave us with this convenient little hole, which is where we are going to stuff our polyfill. This is going to be the cutest little doorknob pillow you've ever seen. I've made these in the past and it's one of my most requested craft DIYs. So just take a random size. I try to just use a couple of different handfuls because you don't want it to get really lumpy. So this took a couple of, I guess, handfuls of polyfill, and I just made sure to stuff it in there with this paintbrush. You could always use a pencil or a ruler, whatever you have handy, to make sure that it gets into all four corners of your pot holder. Then we're going to simply hot glue it back together. And the way I did this was first do the bottom half. There's a little hem there, the bottom half back to the back portion of the pot holder. And then I flipped it over and carefully added the hot glue to the inside trim of this little hole that we made for the polyfill. So I'm using, again, the paintbrush because it's super convenient to tuck it in and kind of make it look like it was always meant to be that way. So if you're worried about the way that looks, don't, because we're going to add this Dollar Tree gingham check ribbon to the outside edge of this entire pot holder. Now you can get creative and use like eyelet I've used before, or beads, or I've even made my own ruffle before, but we're going to use just little, about 1.5 inches, 2.5 inches of this ribbon, and we're just going to fold it in half. And I'm going to take each little half and tack it on with a little dot of hot glue, and I'm tucking it into the rim there of the outside trim of the pot holder. I'm going to give you a little bit closer up look here so you can kind of see the pattern that I'm repeating. It's, again, just a little dot of hot glue, tucking in the ribbon there to the trim. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around, including the corners of the pot holder. Once I get this going, it's super easy and fun to continue. I'm just spreading out the ribbon into a V shape. So once you've gone all the way around, you're just going to finish it off at the top where you started. And boom, there it is. I think it's really, really, really cute like this, but we're going to go ahead and trim up the ones that are uneven. That's why it doesn't really matter what length you make the ribbon. It's just whatever you like. If you want a short trim around your pillowcase or your pot holder pillar, or if you want a longer trim, it's completely up to you. Then I took some matching ribbon and I'm flipping it over. I'm going to add these Crafter Square wooden beads to the handle here. And these were already painted black, so that was super convenient, but you can use whatever color you want, whatever coordinates with your pillow. You don't even have to add the beads, but I thought they looked really, really cute. And then I just tied it in a little knot in the back, hot glued it down to secure it, and that is going to be what we use to hang it on a doorknob. For the correct length, you just want to just put it up against your doorknob to see if it's going to be long enough, because it just varies based on your actual doorknob. I don't know if you have a round doorknob or if you have a long doorknob, but depending on what it is how long you'll make your little hook. Then I added a cute little bow and a little piece of bling to it, and this is how it turned out. What do you think? I absolutely love the check, of course, on this. I will drop a link to my Buffalo Check Obsessed group in case you are obsessed with all things Buffalo Check like I am. But this is how it looks just kind of on my entryway door knob there at the front door on the coat closet. Just a fun little gift that you can make for someone to show that you care, because it is handmade, which is what the idea is behind all of these projects today that I'm sharing with you. All Dollar Tree supplies here for this project, which makes it super affordable. All right, handmade idea number 2. I'm gonna take these cute little slippers. You can grab these at the Dollar Tree Plus, and a lot of different other little dollar stores have these slippers. These are really good quality slippers. I'm gonna take this stencil, which I will link below. It is the mini Christmas stencils from Magnolia, and I'm gonna pick this one that says Get Cozy because I thought it'd be really cute. Now this is totally optional. You do not have to stencil your slippers, but I just thought it would be a nice little added touch to make this handmade gift even cuter. So I'm just getting it on there and using the Magnolia Brilliant White Chalk Paste to do this little design on the front of the slippers. So it's super easy to apply. You just swipe it one time. Well, I'm very bad about going over it multiple times, but really you just want to go over it once. And then you're going to do the peel, squeal, and reveal. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video if you love seeing the reveal of these stencils, but I absolutely love the way the Get Cozy looks good. Now, I didn't rinse my stencil. Normally I would, but I thought it'd be okay just to go ahead and place it on the top of this slipper and go back over it while I still had lots of chalk paste left over, and it worked perfectly. Now I do have my hand inside of the slipper to give it a little bit of support so that there's something for it to, you know, grab onto, but these are so cute. Can you tell I absolutely love the way that turned out? Now I'm going to take again some grosgrain ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and this is just in the color red, and I'm going to make some of my favorite little zip tie bows, and I'm going to add them together with some bling here onto the slippers. So you just put these together with a zip tie, and I made 2, one for each slipper. And again, this part's optional too. You can do both of these ideas, one of these ideas, or none of these ideas. These little slippers will be cute either way. Now, once I just kind of eyeballed the sizes to make sure they were similar, I went ahead and added the Snowflake Bling, which I will link below, my affiliate link for this Snowflake Bling. It's so darling, so cute. It gives it that little extra pop of something fabulous and fun for the girly girl. And I'm just adding that on there first, and then we're going to go ahead and hot glue the entire bow with the bling onto that little top part of the slippers. Oh my word, you guys, how cute are these turning out? I can hardly stand it. Who do you know that would absolutely love a fun handmade gift like this? $5 slippers from the Dollar Tree Plus. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you think you can do. I know you can do it, or something that you know that you will be gifting this year. And I've tucked a little piece of cardboard inside, so again, that these would look really cute on display. But I'm just thinking this would be really cute with some bubble bath or some sort of soft lotion from the Dollar Tree with it. Perfect little additional gift for someone in your life. Handmade idea number 3 are these 3 wooden spatulas from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these little spatulas. Now, of course, these are not to eat with. They are literally for display only. We're going to take this Christmas minis, again, the little mini stencils, and we're going to apply these to the top of the spatula. This is really something fun and easy to do, and you can even have younger ones like your little kiddos or grandkiddos help you with making these, because you really just cannot mess it up. Super, super easy, and like I said, really fun to create with. Now you can choose whatever ones of these you want. I just chose these 3 because I thought they kind of blended pretty well, and I'm going to add some of the chalk paste in the red and the green colors, both, but you could go with all white, you could go with all black, or you could try to coordinate with your kitchen colors as well. Now I'm just using this little tool, which I will also link below, that gives me some precision when I add these two different colors to the stencil. And since it is such a tiny mini stencil, I want to make sure that I get in the little cracks. And so this little tool, this little squeegee tool, is very, very helpful. Now I'm going to add the red right behind the green. And I decided on the fa la 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 latte to skip the latte. Since it is a spatula, it kind of makes sense to just do fa la 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 and skip the latte. But I think that the fa la 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 latte would be super cute on a mug for the fall as well. I mean, the Christmas gift as well. Look at how cute these turned out, you guys. And if it wasn't cute enough, I had to add a gingham bow. You guys know by now, I have to add these bows to like everything. I'm totally obsessed. I also have a group called Bow Obsessed. If you are interested, I will link that below as well. It's a free group on Facebook that you can join, and we talk about bows, we share bow ideas, bow tutorials, all the easy bows to make. I'm all about it. Now just hot glue these little handmade bows to the base of these spatulas right there. And that just reiterates to your recipient that they are for looks only. Don't be putting this in your cookie batter or flipping an egg with it. It's just for fun, for looks, for the holidays. They can mix it in with some regular utensils or just have them on display. Either way, I think they are really, really cute. Here they are all together. This is what the stencil turned out looking like. And I just kind of put them here in a little mug for you to see how they could be displayed in someone's kitchen. I think these would be cute to pair with a thing of cookie mix or hot cocoa, whichever you want. So this is handmade idea number 4. It is going to be a Dollar Tree frame. And then I took this Dollar Tree tray. This says ice cube tray, but I'm using it for hot glue. We're going to make our own little molds. So these are super fun to use on all sorts of projects. I'm just heating it up with a heat gun, making sure that all the bubbles are popped and that it's melted evenly inside there. So once you have your layer of hot glue down in the ice cube tray, you're going to want to let it sit and harden. And that's just going to happen naturally. You don't have to do anything special for that. Now I'm taking the guts out of this Dollar Tree frame so that we can replace it with this Dollar Tree Crafter's Square fabric. I thought this was really cute and whimsical, and I thought it would be a really fun just display piece for the holidays. But I think it would also do really cute as a handmade gift. For a coworker or just a friend, just I'm thinking of you. This is really, really something easy and affordable to make that you could give to anyone. So I'm just cutting it out based on the shape of the glass that goes into the picture frame. And yeah, I just replaced the guts with that piece of fabric that it was kind of tricky because it's got words on it and the words are going all different directions. But you know what? Honestly, that's what makes it fun looking. And so I think it works. I think it totally works. Now putting the glass back in, putting that piece of fabric right over it, putting the guts back in, the little easel back in, and that is what it looks like. It's really cute, really, really cute. All right, so we have our molds that we made from hot glue. I'm just popping one out. You see, it just takes a couple minutes to dry. And then once you have, this came in 2 different designs. It was a candy cane and a little piece of candy that I thought were really, really fun. And so I am going to decorate 2 or 3 or 4 of these pieces just to kind of get us started. But this ice cube tray makes 8. I think it'd be fun to make an entire candy dish of all of these little faux candies. But I started out by just painting them a chalk white, and then I went back over them with this Magnolia pen, which I'll link below, in the color red, so that it would pop. Now, you can also use acrylic paints, you can use chalk paints, you can use anything that you have on hand, but this little ink pen worked really well, and I love the way that the red pops against the white. Once I had the entire thing kind of embellished the way that I want, I decided to kick it up a notch by adding a little bit of diamond dust. I will link the diamond dust below, but you want to start by just adding a little bit of Mod Podge all over your little mold there. And once I had the mold completely covered with the Mod Podge, I grabbed my diamond dust and I'm gonna sprinkle it all over the little candy molds with a little tiny spoon. You can use whatever you want and whatever method you want to get the diamond dust all over your candies, but I think it just adds that extra little bit of sparkle that I'm looking for. You could of course always use glitter, but I love the diamond dust and the effect that it leaves behind. It is so cute. I decided to add these to my picture frame just to make it, again, just to reiterate that whimsical look that we have going on here. So just with a little bit of hot glue, I'm gonna put these on a couple different corners here and just really cute up this frame. Be sure to let me know what you think about this idea and some other, I know you're gonna have amazing ideas as well to use these little candy molds on. Absolutely love those. Look at that sparkle. Love it, love it, love it. And you could totally get creative with the insert as well. You could use images. Now, handmade idea number 5 is just a spin-off of the one we just did. I'm taking a Dollar Tree candle, adding a little piece of Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm going to glue that last little candy cane, the faux candy cane mold that we made in the previous handmade gift idea. And I think that this is a really great gift to keep on hand that you can just hand out to the neighbors. You can add it to a gift basket that you already have going on. I think the opportunities are endless with this one, but look at how it sparkles. Let me know if you love that. So here's both of these together. You've got the little candies, super up close, woo, super up close with the diamond dust on there, and then the candle. So what do you think? Do you love these handmade gift ideas? Let me know in the comments below which one you want to try and who you're going to make it for. I hope you're inspired with these Christmas gift ideas. I'm going to link a playlist here so that you can see some more Christmas inspiration, but be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of video and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, Merry Christmas.